When it comes to advancing healthcare technology and ensuring the highest standards of healthcare technology management, BiomedRx Federal stands as a trusted leader and a vital partner to government entities and contractors alike. Our mission is rooted in a commitment to excellence, integrity, and innovation. As a veteran-owned and minority-owned company registered in SAM.gov, we bring a unique blend of expertise, capability, and dedication to every project we undertake. The principals of BiomedRx Federal hold top-secret SCI, SBI security clearances with the federal government, underscoring our unwavering commitment to security and trust. Our services extend across the United States and internationally, with a proven track record of excellence as both a primary contractor and a subcontractor. We have played an instrumental role in building hospitals and healthcare facilities for the Department of Veterans Affairs and other federal branches, contributing to the nation's healthcare infrastructure. Our expertise isn't confined to US soil. We've successfully delivered projects in Puerto Rico, Guam, the US Virgin Islands, and other territories and military installations, showcasing our ability to navigate diverse operational environments. At BiomedRx Federal, we offer a full spectrum of healthcare technology management services, medical equipment procurement, sourcing the most advanced and reliable medical equipment tailored to meet specific project needs, installation and de-installation, ensuring seamless transitions and optimal functionality, repair and calibration, keeping equipment in peak condition to ensure accuracy and reliability, preventive maintenance and electrical safety inspections, minimizing downtime and maintaining compliance with regulatory standards, field equipment, upgrades and modifications, enhancing the capabilities of existing systems to meet evolving demands, on-site applications, assistance, providing hands-on training and operational guidance to equipment operators, ensuring they're confident and competent in using new technologies. From large-scale projects like constructing healthcare facilities to the meticulous task of maintaining biomedical equipment, our approach is marked by precision, professionalism, and a commitment to excellence. Why choose BiomedRx Federal? 1. Experience you can trust. Decades of expertise in healthcare technology management make us a reliable partner for any government healthcare project. 2. Unmatched capability. Our team of highly skilled professionals ensures that every task, from procurement to preventive maintenance, is executed flawlessly. 3. Veteran-owned and minority-owned. Our status reflects a commitment to diversity and inclusion, values that enhance our ability to deliver innovative solutions. 4. Global reach, local expertise. Whether in a US territory or on a military installation abroad, we bring a deep understanding of local needs and global standards. 5. Commitment to compliance. We ensure that all work meets or exceeds federal, state, and industry regulations, providing peace of mind to our clients. For federal contractors seeking a reliable and experienced subcontractor, BiomedRx Federal is your ideal partner. Our track record of successful collaborations with primary contractors demonstrates our ability to seamlessly integrate into larger projects and deliver results that exceed expectations. For government entities at the federal, state, or local levels, partnering with BiomedRx Federal means ensuring the highest standards of healthcare technology management. Whether it's building a new hospital for veterans, maintaining critical biomedical equipment, or providing operator training, we bring unmatched expertise and a dedication to serving the public good. The challenges of healthcare technology are constantly evolving, and the need for skilled, reliable partners has never been greater. At BiomedRx Federal, we're not just meeting these challenges, we're leading the way. Let us bring our proven expertise, global reach, and commitment to excellence to your next project. Together, we can build a stronger, more reliable healthcare infrastructure for those who need it most. Contact BiomedRx Federal today to learn more about how we can contribute to your mission. Let's work together to redefine what's possible in healthcare technology management.